So today we're gonna see fruit and vegetable truck. Fruit and vegetable truck. Racing and cut, cut, cut. 2-in-1. The truck looks beautiful. Let's unbox it. Yay! This is the truck that has the vegetables in it. This is the front part, which can move. Yay! It's moving. The truck is going forward and round and round. Yay! Now let's look inside. What vegetables is this truck carrying? This is cabbage. Nice green cabbage. This is very healthy to have in salad. This is tomato. And this is corn. Corn is very rich in iron. And it's very delicious. This is a knife to cut the vegetables. This is aubergine. Nice purple. This is bitter gourd. It's green. And this is mushroom. We have a nice orange mushroom. It has a few dots on it. And this is the chopping board on which we'll cut the vegetables. This is red bell pepper. Nice and bright in color. Now this is onion. And orange carrot. So now we'll keep the truck aside and let's check out the vegetables. Let's cut it. We'll cut the carrot in the middle. Nice, lovely carrot. We should have it every day in salad. It's good for eyes. All vegetables are different in shapes and sizes. This is onion. Onion has its own shape. And this is red pepper. We can cook it and have it in our food. There are seeds inside the bell pepper. Mushrooms. Mushroom is triangle in shape and has a small stem. This is bitter gourd. This is bitter in taste, but it's very healthy. This is cabbage. Round like a ball, but it's a cabbage. Let's cut it. This is red tomato. This is sour in taste. This is corn. You can see the inside of the corn. This is purple color aubergine. Let's cut it. That's how the inside looks. Now you can see all the vegetables, how they look from the inside when cut in half. They look lovely, but different colors and shapes, and they're very healthy, so we should have them every day. Okay, bye-bye. Wowkidz, fun and learn. Please subscribe to our channel today.